Here we are back again. It's been so long. Got the Camaro up. Right there. So we got BTR Stage 3 NA cam. We got valve springs, push rods, hardened push rods. I got the 3-bolt gear. I had to get a pulley puller, and then the spring compressor tool to replace the valve springs, retainers. To get some gaskets, takes the speed, and then something the car desperately needed, catch can, oil catch can. So we got a JLT oil catch can right here, and we'll be cam only. Go ahead and let the car cool down, get everything ready. Get ready to get working on it. Next up is gonna be a BTR, forget the name of it. It's the intake anyways. So we'll be cam and intake. And throttle body. 102 Nick Williams. And maybe possibly looking at some heads after that. Probably not though, wait till. We're gonna go with the cam, intake setup for a while, and then maybe look into a Pro Charger or a Whipple. It'd be nice to have that little whine. But yeah, I'll go through, this will be my first time doing a cam swap on anything. So I'm a little nervous about it, but there's a video I watched. I'll put the link in the description on that video that I watched to learn to how to attempt this anyways. To give me, it's a very detailed video, it's very good. I'll put it in the description anyways in case you guys are interested in doing your own cam swap. You can check it out. But yeah, I'll put go ahead and record my attempt at it, see how we go about it, and then hopefully everything turns out right. See y'all. get tuned. It was a pain in the ass because I can't people know you have to keep idling these damn cars. And the manual trans or else it's gonna stall. And I had to struggle going with that. But we're gonna get tuned right now. We'll bitch when we head out. Alright, here we are back in the car. Got the cam installed, we got it tuned. I didn't do a whole lot of filming. I really wanted to, but my mind was elsewhere as far as the install. And I started a new job and had to get going with that. It required me being out of town for a little bit. But cam's in, car's tuned, it runs great. First impressions are, I love it, obviously. But tuner he did a great job. He did as best he could for normal driving. But for as aggressive as a cam that I wing, you can only do so much for that. But he did great either way. It drives semi-normal in the normal driving. It bucks a little bit whenever you're riding in the lower RPM range, kind of just cruising. But of course, getting up in the higher RPMs, she gets up and goes. That's for sure. It's a lot more responsive. Feels like there's a lot more pull all the way through the RPMs. Doesn't just hit a wall anymore. Hopefully I can get some races lined up with some cars similar in power.